Hello, my friends. Welcome to Tom's and Susie's Tinkering and Adventures from the Colorado Springs greater area here.
Back in the kitchen.
Back in the kitchen. And today, we got a lot of stuff going on. We're going to be, well, this video, obviously you're going to see it if you're watching it. So we got some stuff going on later today, but we ran around, did a little bit of errand running today, and my sister Susie took me to this pretty interesting place called Hertz Donut. It's a Hertz Donut. It's a donut shop. And she bought me this giant apple fritter. It kind of doesn't look all that appetizing. It kind of looks like a big pile of something, but look at the size of this thing. So she has watched some of my videos before where I eat stuff.
Yeah, he likes to eat. He likes to eat.
Like to eat. So she said I can't eat this whole.
I said he couldn't eat two of them.
No,
two.
you said I couldn't eat
I
one.
said two.
Well, of course I can't eat two, but
You could eat two.
yeah, I couldn't eat one. So.
This is the hat that I chose for tonight. I think I can wear this.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We got.
Lloyd, Blake, turn it.
Oh, I like that. I need one of those.
Veteran HP.
So, I gotta eat this before we can go to our event later. But, no, we're not live right now. We're just recording. But I think I'm gonna try to
Show
eat
me
it.
how to do this. So
I'll
I
try
can...
to eat it and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, since I'm in Colorado, they get some different laws here, so I get weird cravings for food sometimes because you know, they got weird like legal laws. So I think I'll have a beverage here with my apple fritter. Let's see how this thing is. And that's bite number one. It's not. I don't know if I'll be able to eat the whole thing, but we're gonna give her a try. Got to wash it down. But I guess this is a normal thing here. They say it's how they prep for going to the Avalanche game. So that's what I'm doing later, going to the Avalanche game. All right, so I'm making progress, maybe about halfway done here. Beer's washing it down good. They got their list over here of things I'm supposed to do, but so far I haven't done any of them. You got it? Yeah. So every time I come visit my brother-in-law and my sister here, I get my to-do list and see how many pages, all this stuff here. And I haven't done any of it because I like them to remain, it's like a codependency thing. So they have this that they need me to do, and then that gives me a reason to come here. But if I finish this list, then the whole symbiotic relationship would end. So I like to not do the list. Maybe I do one or two things so that they know that, hey, he is doing some of the stuff.
Actually, it's more fun.
Yeah, and kind of upsets my brother-in-law because I don't get the list done, but that's okay. He still keeps the door open and lets me stay here, so it's okay. But like I said, it's kind of a codependency thing. Let me see if I can finish this thing up. I've been watching the weather too, so hopefully I got good weather on the way home. Looks like it's gonna rain, but I hope it doesn't snow. I mean, it could snow. It's October, and at elevation, we got some cold weather coming up, but almost there on this. So what do y'all think? Do you think I should try to do a straight through drive again? I'm considering it. It was kind of interesting to do that 1,000 miles in 24 hours. I'd never done that ever in my motorcycle riding career up until this point, and just, I don't know, I never did it, didn't really think about it, but I might do it on the way home, mostly because I ended up staying here an extra day longer than I thought because I was wrong on the day when the Avalanche game was. I thought it was Wednesday night, but it turned out to be Thursday night, so I'm ended up staying an extra day. So, but once I finish this apple fritter, I should have plenty of energy to ride home. Beer and a donut. These Colorado green stuff here really makes you get these weird cravings, but really not much of a challenge. This thing is going to be done for. So maybe I could have eaten two of them. I did eat a big breakfast burrito and English muffin and coffee. And I guess there's a pre-game ritual. We got to go to
We stopped by Taco Bell on
Taco Bell, so
We have to stop by Taco Bell.
that's why I saved some room. What do you, oh, you only got half of one?
No, I have 1/3 of I have 1/3 because I cannot eat a whole
A
one.
family can eat a whole one. It's a family thing.
Well, I have a gastro thing and I can't eat a
Oh,
lot of things. I have
yeah.
to be very selective, so
All right. Well,
it's okay. We don't want to talk about that.
Hertz donut. You're gonna have to try harder. It really wasn't that big of a deal. So, actually, I got another donut over here. Maybe I have another one for dessert.
You have a banana donut.
I have a banana donut. Pretty interesting donut. Pretty good looking place here. It's called Hertz Donut. Yeah, you want a Hertz donut?
So,
Hertz Donut. Yeah,
Ha
old joke. So
ha.
yeah, it's not even
So
funny.
funny.
It's not even
When
funny.
we were kids, it was funny.
Well, it must work. We went there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there you go. Pretty exciting. Get to watch me eat a giant donut and drink a beer and talk about the day and
And we're gonna have Taco Bell later. So.
have Taco Bell later. And gotta hit the road first thing in the morning. So if anyone's watching and you're between here and San Diego, let me
Stretch
know
of
what the
road.
weather's like. I've been looking on the Weather Channel, but you know you can never tell. So we'll see. I don't think it's going to be an issue. A little bit of rain ain't going to hurt. I do have my rain gear with me.
And we'll make sure you're bundled up.
I'll be bundled up, stay warm, and if I go I-70 through the passes, it should be during the day. It'll be warmer.
You know what? That John Denver, he's fucking full of shit.
These Rocky Mountains aren't nearly
He's so
as rocky.
fucking full of shit.
Thanks for watching. Get out and find your adventure. Adios.